In this video, I'll show you how to fix a limited PayPal account step by step. First, log into your PayPal account using the website or app. On the home screen, look for alerts at the top or tap Resolution Center. Here you'll see the exact reason why your account is limited and what PayPal needs from you. Next, check the list of required steps. This might include confirming your identity, updating your business information, or explaining a recent transaction. Click each item one by one. Then choose Resolve or Continue. Now, upload the requested documents. This could be a valid ID, proof of address, bank statement, or proof of shipment if it's related to a sale. Make sure the photos are clear, not cropped, and the details are readable before you submit. After submitting everything, wait for PayPal to review your case. They'll usually email you when a decision is made, so keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. To avoid future limitations, use your real details. Respond quickly to disputes and avoid suspicious or high-risk activity. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.